Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I have been missing, as you probably have noticed. I have just been busy with work, flying a lot, and I'm doing some other stuff for work as well. So it's kind of taken me off the grid a little bit. It was a much needed break as well because I just feel like I've been burnt out. I'm being stretched to my limits. So I needed to just step back, take care of some things for work, and also take care of some stuff here at the house. We've had some stuff with the house kind of go crazy. Gonna have to get a new roof, I think, and we've got a bathroom that's leaking, so when it rains, it pours. So I've just been able to step back and take care of that stuff. So any case, I am back. This is actually a painting I did before I took my little hiatus, so this isn't something brand new that I've done, but I'm just now got around to editing the video. So this is gonna be a swipe. And it's not gonna be like the traditional swipe that I do. So let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. Hello everyone. So I've got a 16 by 20 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. Today I'm gonna do one of my swipes, but I'm not gonna do the Chaos ribbon. I'm gonna put a little bit of a base coat down and I'm gonna do some lines and then I'll swipe through. Very reminiscent of how Molly does a lot of her swipes. I like doing both ways. The Chaos ribbon swipe kind of takes the entire canvas, whereas the little swipes of color is more controlled. So let's get started here. I'll explain my colors as I go. This here is some Arteza in black. I added a little bit of the Mars black from Artist Loft because I ran out. So what I'll do is put down a big puddle here, stretch it out a little bit so I've got some room to tilt. I painted my sides and edges in the black. That way when the painting dries, I don't have the white edges kind of poking through. All right, so let's throw down some black here. That should be enough. Just kind of tilt it around. Got a few air bubbles in here, so I am going to torch now. So I'm going to probably do 2 swipes. I'll do a set here and then a set over here. All right, so let's put down, this is aqua green, turquoise green from Amsterdam. This is metallic blue from Artist Loft. .24 karat gold. And Reflex green. All right. I think I'll put the other one here. Let's go with, let's turn this around so I don't have any accidents. We can do a different order. Let's do metallic blue. The gold. The reflex green. And the turquoise. I'm going to use white Cell Activator. I think I'm going to use my big, this is the Floetrol number 15. I'm going to use that for the Cell Activator. My Cell Activator is Amsterdam titanium white mixed with Australian Floetrol, 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. Just let that cover the palette knife. We'll let that excess run off to be reused. Start our palette knife here. Just kind of lightly press, keeping the edge of the blade up. Turn this around. Ooh, that's lacing is really pretty there. Cells are looking, this white with the neon green is really, really looking cool. Again, just letting this run off here to coat. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Lightly pressing. So instead of messing with the color here that hasn't been done, I'm just going to doodle a little bit, I think. Kind of bring some of the black through here like that. Gives it a little bit of a hook. This will go off that side. Hopefully have some negative space over there. Okay. Let's tilt this out. All right, I'm gonna leave it right here. I love this. I love all aspects of the negative space. I got the hook here, got these two corners got some negative space, but this lacing, the white with the neon green, the reflex green really, really sets it off. The blue is running through here. There's a lot of blue on this end. I'm okay with that. The gold and the lacing over here, just really phenomenal. I love this piece. Definitely want to do this color scheme with on a larger canvas. I think that would be really, really cool. All right, I'm going to just cut up my corners here and then I'll bring you guys down. All right, guys, here we are with the dried result. All right, everyone, that's it for the video today. So that is the piece. It dried really, really great. Can go in any orientation that you think, but look, the lacing that I got out of this, I really love this reflex green and how the white Cell Activator interacts with it. Just really cool. Not a huge fan of all this blue. I probably should have tilted more of that off to kind of match up here, but I do like the color contrast. I like the negative space. So really cool. I like it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. All right, everyone. Thanks for having me back. I'll see everybody on Wednesday. Have a great day. Bye-bye.